friends, welcome to Wondrous Astronomy. I am Cosmokid Sonal. Starting with International Observe the Moon Night 2021, we have set out to learn more about our celestial neighborhood. Till date, the Moon remains farthest and the only celestial object to which human beings have been to. As we can see rabbit on the Moon, similarly, we can see phases of Moon from the Earth. Talking of which, soon there will be no Moon or new Moon. The day when Moon is not visible in the sky. Many people believe that on no Moon day, the Moon disappears from the sky. Many also believe that phases of Moon occur due to shadow of the Earth, and Moon gets hidden in the shadow of the Earth on no Moon day. Do you know that there is an interesting mythological story in India about moon phases too? Let me share it with you. One day, after having a heavy dinner, little Ganesha decided to go on a round. On his vehicle, the mouse. Ganesha mounted the mouse and set off. Suddenly, a snake came in their path, and the mouse panicked. Ganesha fell off of his back. Puzzled Ganesha just lifted up the snake and tied it around his waist like a belt. Chandra, the moon, who was witnessing it all, found it hilarious. He could not stop himself laughing aloud. Ganesha heard it and became extremely angry. He cursed Chandra that Chandra will lose all his glow at once. Chandra started to wane, and the earth, for no reason, was put at risk. Chandra realized his mistake, and he apologized to Ganesha for laughing at him. Ganesha relented. He put waning Chandra on his forehead, thus giving Ganesha the name Bhalachandra. And since then, Chandra started gaining his glow again. The process of waxing and waning of moon reminds us not to laugh at others. What a beautiful story it is. What a beautiful teaching it gives us. Now, let us learn the truth about phases of the moon. The moon does not have its own light. Moon is visible only because it reflects the sunlight incident upon it. While revolving around the earth, the moon changes its position with respect to earth and the sun, and thus occur phases of moon. When the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, then new moon occurs. When the moon is in between the sun and the earth, the face of the moon on which sunlight is falling is away from the earth. So, the dark side of the moon is in front of us, in front of earth, and thus we cannot see moon on no moon day. On no moon day, the moon is in the sky. In fact, it rises and sets almost at the same time as that of the sun. Are you interested in observing how the phases of moon occur? That too in 1 minute only? Try this activity with me. It will need only a ball. I am using this ball as the moon, and the earth and the sunlight is the light source. You can even use a light bulb as the sun. We start with the new moon, with the ball in between me and the sun. As I rotate around myself in the direction opposite to the clock hands, I can see all the phases of the moon, that too in one round. I hope you enjoyed this video and the activity too. If you have any further questions about the moon, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I would be happy to answer. Happy observing!